Okay, so I'm going to show you how to take notes for our assignments for those who need detailed instructions. So here is your class. So you may be in this class or you may be in this class. Okay, so anyways, if you go in here, you're going to see the contents and you can go in there, okay? And your lecture link is right here. Yeah, so if you click this, it's going to take you to this website, okay? And our assignment is right in here. So from here all the way, okay, to the end. But we have only 3 tests on Word, and then on Excel, and then your PowerPoint. Alright, so the very first assignment is that you need to take notes, alright, for the commands and the functions and the navigations. So when we go back to our Brightspace, internet is slow, you're going to see here the assignment, okay? So assignment 1 is right here, and you will see blue colored, alright, tags. They have links, right? And you can click on it to go into the assignment. You can also read the instruction here. So this is the instruction. Please complete your Microsoft Word assignment 1, and you're going to do from quick start to the end of layout. Okay, so here we go. I'm going back to our lecture site. Here is the quick start. Okay, and of course you're going to open your Microsoft Word. So what I would do if I were you, I'm just going to quickly copy, okay, what I need to do, like this, and then I'm gonna put here on my Word. Okay, I'm gonna change it to text, and that's, you can also click on your keyboard T. Okay, here we go. Yeah, so now I get a title right there. You can go ahead and one if you want to. You can also leave it just like that and give it a bold so I know. Best assignment. Okay, you can put your name here. Yes, because you're preparing this document. Yeah, and then you can put your class here. It's 101. So let's pretend this is section 005. Okay, and this is your assignment 1. So I'm just going to give it a Microsoft Word assignment 1. Yeah, all right. So the first thing that I need to know is save your document to OneDrive in Word. Yes, so that's my second title. Yeah, and I'm going to go back to the lecture site, and here is the explanation how to save the document. Okay, bring back to this page, and of course you trust all links. They're saved anyway. It is a warning from the Microsoft. So we get to our Word, alright, so it tells you how to save your document to OneDrive and Word. We don't need all of this. All you have to do is just copy, yeah, go to File, and then we're going to save, yeah, and then go to OneDrive. That's all I need for my note. Yes, of course I'm going to make it look a little bit good this way so I can see my navigation. And the next one is go to OneDrive. See, here's a picture it's even show you how to do that. Yep. So let's go back to the note because you're preparing the note. Yeah. Because this is the only one you can use in your exam. You can use the entire application. I mean, for the exam theoretical part. So here I got my first note, how to save a document to OneDrive. All I have to do is just go to File, right? Here, of course, I'm doing a screen recording so you can see it. So if I go to File, I see here Save As. When I click on it, I can get to OneDrive. Yeah, that's easy. So you can put your name and whatever file name that you want to put right here and then save. Yes. Okay. So now let's go next one. So next one is research. Okay, edit and design in Word. So that's the next one we're gonna do. Yeah. Of course, you save it. Right now, let's just save it in the PC. I'm just gonna put it right desktop, and then I'm gonna write MS Word assignment 1, and then my last name. Yeah, so I know what that is. You can also put your class, right? So I know which class you're in. But if you upload it to Brightspace, your last name and assignment 1, that's enough. Yeah. So let's just put it, save it to the document so you won't lose it. You can also save it in S Drive, okay, the student drive or cloud. Okay, so the next one, we are going to go to the second edit, okay, research, edit, and design. So let's click on this, and it's going to guide me. Oh, these are the things I have to do for that. Yeah. So I'm going to start with styles. It's go to home, and you're going to see style. So if you want to design and edit in Word, yeah, so I start copying because I need to put that in my note. Yeah, change it to text. Okay. So design and edit in Word. I'm just going to give it like this. First, you have to go to home because it said it, so go to home tab. All right, and you're going to see all the style templates. So I copy and paste. Oh, sorry, I didn't copy it. So let's go back and Ctrl C here, right? And then Ctrl V, change it to text. And then I'm going to show the styles right here under the home tab. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to copy this, go back to the note, and put it, change it to text. Okay, so if I want to design and edit in Microsoft Word, I'm going to go to my home, yeah, and this is, I'm already in home, and you can see style is right here. See, STYLES. So if I open it, I can see all of my styles that I can be able to change. Okay, so your assignment is going to give you all of this. So now for application part, you have to practice. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and copy, all right, some text from internet. So I'll just go there and Google it. We have a lot of text here. We can just copy one of this. Yeah. I don't want the advertisement, so let's just go here. And I'm going to copy this, just this one line here. Yeah, just to make a text. Here we go. Change it. I have one all the way, okay, into the footer. So let's start showing what a normal style looks like. Then copy, paste it here, the second one, okay? No spacing. And the third one gonna be heading, yes, one, and then the next one is going to be the heading 2, yeah. First, let me go, and then heading 3, yeah. Then we have title. Then we're gonna have subtitle. Okay, here. So you can see how different the styles are, right? Then we're gonna go to subtitle emphasis. Then the next one, emphasis. And then next one, intense emphasis. Okay. Then here we go, strong, right? Then the next one, quote. And the next one, strong quote. Then we'll go to the next one. Sorry, yeah, subtle reference. Then we go to the next one, intense reference. Then the next one, book title. Okay. And of course, list is a little bit different, but it's for you to see it here. List, paragraph, yeah. So that's what you can see. Okay. And the next one is, I'm gonna just scan it here, and the last one is a footer, yeah. So now you have all of the styles, okay. Enter home, all right, and you know exactly how they look like, each one of them, yes. Okay, so once we finish that, we're gonna go back to the next, okay. So let's kill this window, and then we come back to